My name is Spencer Paskett. I'm the Profit Center Manager at CED Greentech in Salt Lake City. I've been with Greentech since 2016. In my current role since, I guess it was early 2018, so a little more than 2 years. We've been working with QuickBOLT most of that time. It's probably been about 3 years now, would be my guess. I don't know the exact time we started, but it's been a little while. And it's been I think a pretty good relationship. We sell quite a few of them. We have some customers using them.
So why do you think you guys first started using our products, and why do you think you've continued to?
We first started, we had a customer, it was a pretty decent sized customer request then. That's when we first started using the QuickBOLT. And we actually don't even do business with that customer anymore. But we continue to do it because we have other customers that have kind of caught wind of it and like to use them real quick. It helps them get on and off a job faster. So, and they're not real expensive like some of your competitors would be.
So what feedback have you heard from your customers about the product? I know you said it's faster. Have you heard anything else about it?
That's typically what we're hearing from guys that want to use it, right? Is it's quick. They're not pulling up any nails out of shingles or anything like that. And it's inexpensive because there's competitors out there, but they're typically $1 or $2 more. So that matters when you're putting
adds up.
It's on. Yep.
Yeah. How has your experience been with our ordering process? How do you guys usually order?
I think we've had no issues with ordering. So I've got a purchasing agent who does all the purchasing, and I've heard no negative feedback, which tells me we haven't had any problems.
No news is good news.
In this case, it absolutely is.
Any issues with back orders, or things usually arrive when they're supposed to? And have you guys ever had to deal with our customer service because of any problems?
I have not.
Mm-hmm.
I have not had to.
That's what we like to hear.
Yeah. For real, absolutely.